I want to take a minute this morning and talk about maintenance, horse maintenance. This is Lucy. She is 23 years old. We still use her for lessons. I actually still have a little girl that shows her in reining. And the maintenance is what keeps her sound and keeps her going and keeps her fit. We had a little bit of issue going on with her front feet a couple of weeks ago. She has had navicular. That's been an ongoing problem for a while. So we take care of the navicular. That's pretty much under control. But one thing that we found with her, when a horse has an issue in the front feet, you really focus on the front feet. We kind of stepped back and took more of an overall look at her, and we ended up injecting her hocks. When we injected her hocks, we had less trouble with her front feet. And just kind of from a maintenance standpoint, that's only the second time in her life that she had her hocks injected. She's 23. And I hear people talk about it all the time, I'll never buy a horse that's been injected. Well, the thing about it is, injecting a joint is just maintenance. If you have some issues going on in the joint, you get injected, it goes away. Some horses have some joint damage and have to be injected on a regular basis. But like her, she has only been injected twice in 23 years. Her injections are more from a maintenance standpoint. There's inflammation, makes the inflammation go away and you're done. And I wanted to take a minute and talk about that because I hear so many people with a negative perception of having a horse injected. And that has been something that has been really good for her, especially with maintaining her front feet, was injecting her hocks. We've had two other horses besides her injected in the last couple of weeks. One of them was hocks and one of them was stifles. And it's just a matter of maintenance. When you see some soreness coming up, now she's going to scratch her butt. When you see some soreness coming up, and you take care of the soreness before it becomes an issue. And that I wanted to mention that if you have a horse that the vet says needs to be injected, go ahead and do it. It's not necessarily something that needs to be done on a regular basis. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. It's not necessarily. But don't be afraid to get a horse injected if your vet says it needs to be injected. Again, this is Lucy. She's 23 years old. We're still showing her. Just has to have a little bit of maintenance. Until next time, thank you for watching.